YouTube series for JEE and NEET with complete class 12 physics topic-wise videos, so that you can completely understand these previous year questions of JEE and NEET. You free notes and question bank. Hello everyone, are you struggling with JEE and NEET class 12 physics? Then no need to worry. We are launching a free YouTube series for JEE and NEET aspirants. In this series, we will provide you complete class 12 physics topic-wise videos. Each video will contain 2 to 3 topics so that you can completely understand each topic. We will also practice previous year questions of JEE and NEET. And we will also provide you free notes and question bank during this series. Join our Telegram channel for free notes and question bank. Do not forget to subscribe this channel, and this series is starting very soon.